everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to our recipe of the week. Today we will be making chicken fajita soup in the crock pot. So what you're going to need is, obviously you need your chicken. I don't have that out right now. You're going to need about 2 to 3 pieces of chicken breast depending on the size. You're going to need some frozen corn, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, a can of black beans, a can of chicken broth. You're going to need a cup of salsa, doesn't matter what kind, and then some cumin. Okay, so we're going to start by dumping our cream of chicken soup in a bowl. We're going to mix everything up. Get it all out of the can. We're going to add in our chicken broth. Mix that up. Okay, so we're going to add in our 1 cup of salsa. You can use any kind of salsa that you like. Okay, add in your corn. You need 2 cups of corn. Give that a good mix. You do want a somewhat bigger bowl for this. Okay, so I have my black beans rinsed and drained. I'm going to add those in there. Give it a mix. Okay, so we've got that done. Okay, so I have my chicken breast in my crock pot. Really, my chicken breasts are a little on the bigger side, so I probably could have just used 1, but they came in a 2-pack. So I just threw them both in there. So we are just going to top our soup mixture over the top of our chicken breast. Okay, so to put the lid on this, and you can cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 6 hours. My crock pot, the high is 4 to 6, so I'm just going to cook it for 6 hours. That's usually what I do for the soup. So we are going to set this for 6 hours. Okay, so our chicken, our soup, has been cooking for about 5.5 hours. So we are going to shred up our chicken, and then we are going to add a cup of cheddar cheese. You can take your chicken out if you want. I'm just going to break it up with some tongs. Okay, so we added our cheese. We're going to give it a stir, and we are going to let this cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, our chicken tortilla soup has cooked for another 15 minutes. We are going to stir it up. Cheese should be pretty much melted. Yes, I'm using a whisk. Okay. So here is our soup. You can top it with whatever you would like. Sour cream. And sour cream, and it's down there. And tortilla strips. And I just used a measuring cup to scoop it out. We got enough left over for another maybe bowl and a half in there. So that is our chicken tortilla soup in the crock pot. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.